Are your beloved DVD collections gathering dust? Do you wish you could watch your favorite movies on the go without the hassle of carrying discs or finding a DVD player? Find a simple way to bring your entire DVD library into the modern age. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're diving into AnyMP4 DVD Ripper, a powerful and intuitive software that transforms your DVDs into versatile digital formats. In an era dominated by streaming services and digital files, the humble DVD often feels like a relic. So, why would you need a DVD Ripper? 1. Portability and accessibility. 2. Space saving. 3. Preservation and protection. 4. Modern device compatibility. Among the many DVD ripping tools available, AnyMP4 DVD Ripper stands out as a top-tier choice. But what exactly is it? AnyMP4 DVD Ripper is a professional software designed to convert DVDs, whether they're discs, ISO files, or folders, into over 500 digital video and audio formats. This includes popular choices like MP4, MKV, AVI, MOV, and even lossless audio formats like FLAC. Beyond just conversion, it offers lossless DVD copy. Want an exact replica? AnyMP4 DVD Ripper can create a one-to-one lossless copy of your DVD as an ISO image or folder, preserving original menus, chapters, audio tracks, and subtitles. Blazing fast speed thanks to advanced hardware acceleration technologies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. AnyMP4 boasts up to 50x faster ripping speeds without compromising quality. Built-in editing suite, this isn't just a ripper, it's also a powerful editor. You can trim, crop, rotate, merge, and add watermarks to your videos. Plus, you can adjust visual effects, apply filters, and even add new audio tracks or subtitles. Additional tools, it includes handy extras like a GIF maker, video compressor, media metadata editor, and a video enhancer to further optimize your digital content. Section 1. How to rip a DVD. With so many options out there, why should AnyMP4 DVD Ripper be your go-to choice? Now, let's get hands-on and show you how incredibly easy it is to rip a DVD using AnyMP4 DVD Ripper. Step 1. Launch and load your DVD. First, make sure your DVD is inserted into your computer's DVD drive. Then, launch AnyMP4 DVD Ripper. On the main interface, click the Load DVD button. You'll have options to load DVD disc, load DVD ISO, or load DVD folder. Select the appropriate option for your source. The software will automatically detect and load the main movie title. If you want to rip specific titles, click Full Title List and check the boxes next to your desired chapters. Step 2. Select your output format. This is where you choose how you want your DVD to be saved. Look for the Rip All to drop-down menu in the top right corner. For a perfect one-to-one lossless copy, choose MPG MKV Lossless. This preserves all original quality, subtitles, and audio tracks. For versatile digital files, select Rip to Video or Audio and then pick your preferred format like MP4, MOV, or WimberUM for easy playback on any device. You can even choose specific audio formats like MP3 if you only need the sound. You can also rip individual titles to different formats, but be aware this might affect subtitle or audio track preservation for those specific clips. Step 3. Choose your destination folder. Before ripping, decide where your converted files will be saved. Click the Save To option at the bottom and choose your desired output folder on your computer. Step 4. Start ripping. Once your settings are configured, simply click the big Rip All button in the bottom right corner. AnyMP4 DVD Ripper will work its magic, converting your DVD at lightning speed. A progress bar will show you the status. Once it's done, you'll have your digital movie ready to enjoy. Section 2. How to use its editing tools to refine a ripped DVD. AnyMP4 DVD Ripper isn't just about ripping. It also offers a fantastic suite of editing tools to enhance your videos before you rip them. 1. Trim and split video. The scissors icon allows you to cut out unwanted sections, create new segments, or even split a long video into multiple shorter clips. 2. Rotate and crop video. In the Rotate and Crop tab, you can rotate your video 90, 180, or 270 degrees, or flip it horizontally or vertically. 3. Adjust video effect and filter. Apply various filters like Gray, Hong Kong, or Sketch, or manually fine-tune brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation to achieve the perfect visual tone. 4. Add Watermark. The Watermark tab lets you add text or image watermarks. Customize the font, size, color, position, and opacity for text, or resize and reposition image watermarks. 5. Edit audio track and subtitle. In the Audio tab, you can select, silence, or add new audio tracks. Similarly, the Subtitle tab allows you to add new subtitle files like SERT or AS or remove existing ones, with options to customize their position, size, and color. 6. Merge video clips. If you have multiple short titles you want to combine into one continuous video, simply merge into one file before you start ripping. These powerful editing features make AnyMP4 DVD Ripper more than just a converter. It's a complete video customization tool. Beyond ripping and standard editing, AnyMP4 DVD Ripper comes packed with a versatile toolbox of additional utilities that can help you with various video and audio tasks. Media Metadata Editor, Video Compressor, GIF Maker, 3D Maker, Video Enhancer. These integrated tools offer even more value, making AnyMP4 DVD Ripper a truly comprehensive media management solution. And there you have it! AnyMP4 DVD Ripper truly empowers you to take control of your DVD collection. We've seen why a DVD Ripper is essential in today's digital landscape, explored the impressive features of AnyMP4 DVD Ripper, understood its unique advantages, and walked through the simple step-by-step process of ripping and editing your DVDs. Ready to unlock your DVD library? Download AnyMP4 DVD Ripper today and start converting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you next time.